Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Memorizing characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. Today, let's talk about 火字旁. Characters with 火字旁 are often associated with fire or light. 火字旁 are commonly written on the left side of Chinese characters. Let's take some examples. 灯 light 灯炒 fry 烟 smoke 烧 burn 硕 bright 换 shining 火字旁 fire or light related. When you write 火字旁 in cursive, you can write it like this. For example, 烂 messy 烦 means bad mood. To bother 烦 严 means burning hot. 火字旁 fire or light related. 灯 light 炒 fry 烟 smoke 烧 burn 硕 bright 换 shining 烂 messy 烦 bad mood 严 burning hot. Please comment any other words or sentence with the radical 火字旁. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.